Oh, there's my cute little puppy.
Hello, Sadie Mamas. How are you doing today?
Whoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the duck. You may think you know ducks, but I assure you they are playing a far more sinister, sophisticated role in our aquatic ecosystems than ever imagined. Crikey, look at this beauty. Wings like streamlined jet fighters, feet designed like nature's finest flippers, and the audacity to waddle where no bird has waddled before. They are tactical, strategic, and scientifically speaking, utterly bonkers. Oh yes, the noble duck, a master of deception to the untrained eye. It appears harmless, perhaps even a bit ridiculous, but no. This creature is a tactical, ecological force, balancing entire ecosystems with nothing but its willpower, flappy feet, and digestive efficiency. Quick, what do y'all reckon is the most important tool in a duck's arsenal? Is it A, their bill, B, their feet, C, their poop, or D, sheer determination? If you said poop, congratulations, you're officially ready to embrace the weird truths of science. Ducks fertilize wetlands. They literally crap life back into the ecosystem. Nature's glorious. You ever notice how ducks are everywhere? Rivers, lakes, puddles, bathtubs. If you're particularly unlucky, why? Because they control aquatic life. Algae? Ducks eat it. Mosquitoes? Ducks exterminate them with ruthless efficiency. Fish? Ducks stir up nutrients that literally help them thrive. It's almost like ducks run the pond. If you remove ducks, you get stagnant water, exploding mosquito populations, and a complete aquatic disaster. Ducks aren't just a part of the ecosystem, they are the ecosystem. So what have we learned today? Ducks are not mere floating feather pillows. They are environmental warriors. They balance populations, they fertilize wetlands, they even inspire existential dread with their endless quacking. And most importantly, they know things. So, next time you see a duck, remember this. It's not just a bird, it's a legend. Give it a knowing nod of respect. It deserves it.